questions.
You don't answer any questions?
No,
Why is that?
Because he's trying to give me tests and he's accusing me of drinking.
No, I just asked you a question, sir, to perform sobriety test.
I understand, sir.
I'm conducting an investigation
I don't drink for number one.
Okay.
And you're asking me if I've been drinking, sir. Right. I don't drink.
Okay, I don't know that. I never met you before.
Well,
it's just an investigation to make sure you're safe to drive, all right? That's all it is.
I understand, sir. But
okay.
I don't answer questions. It's no disrespect at all. You know what I'm saying?
What started as a routine traffic stop for a burned-out headlight quickly turned into something much bigger. How a sergeant turned a headlight violation into a full DUI investigation. A police sergeant claimed he smelled alcohol, despite having no clear evidence. But the driver wasn't an ordinary motorist. He was a law student who knew his rights and calmly refused to be intimidated. The moment he realized this driver was not going to be an easy target. The sergeant started claiming he could smell fruity drinks and pushed alcohol questions despite having nothing real to back it up. What followed was a tense confrontation that raised serious questions about police authority, DUI investigations, and the limits of lawful police conduct. The driver remained calm, respectful, and cooperative, but he also made it clear that he would not answer unnecessary questions or participate in voluntary field sobriety tests. When the intimidation tactics failed and the driver stood his ground, the sergeant shifted to threatening obstruction charges just because he was not getting the compliance he expected. What started as a burnt-out headlight ended with a sergeant exposing exactly how fast authority turns into abuse when someone actually knows the law.
A03 Seneca traffic. Oh, you stay in your car, sir. Parking lot of Burger King, Henry King Paul, 1122. How you doing, sir?
How are you?
Sergeant McLean with the Seneca Falls Police. Pulled you over because you have a headlight out in your vehicle?
You know, I was actually wondering that because it was a little like, you know, it wasn't lit up 100%.
Gotcha, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, do you have a license on it?
I do, yes, sir.
Where are you coming from tonight?
I'm actually just coming from my house to here to get some dinner.
Okay. Everything valid on your license?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Okay, how many alcoholic beverages you had tonight?
No.
Nothing?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I was going to get that.
Oh, I thought you were handing that to me.
Oh, no.
Okay, all right. You have the registration for the vehicle?
You know what? I mean, it's legit. I just don't have it in here.
Okay, is the car registered to you?
I think it's my girlfriend, Jennifer.
Okay. Just want to
it's one or the other.
Okay, just want to turn the car on real fast to see, just to verify the headlight is still off. You just stay in the car, just let you know.
Yeah, no problem.
No, you're good. Just the passenger side one. You just stay in the car for now. Okay. Take a look at your license.
Yeah, I think it's under her name or my name. I can't remember which one it's registered under, but
it looks like it's maybe your wife Sindoni. Is that your
it's my woman. Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, you're all good. You said no alcohol tonight?
No, hell no. I don't drink.
You know, okay. I smell something fruity. What's that? Is that?
I don't know. Probably my Pepsi or something.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
You gotta take a look at your eyes real
Absolutely.
quick.
Absolutely. Nope. Go on.
Just looking for impaired drivers.
Oh yeah, I don't take those tests.
You don't?
No.
Why not?
I just don't. I don't take tests, sir.
Okay. Well, I'm asking you. I'm gonna make sure you're okay to drive your vehicle. Right?
Yeah. No, I understand. I don't take tests though.
Okay. Why not?
I just don't. It's no disrespect to you.
No, I am performing an investigation right now.
Okay.
To make sure you're okay to drive your vehicle.
Yeah, I won't. I don't take tests, sir.
Why not?
I just don't. I mean,
okay.
I take, I am a law student for one, and two, I just don't take tests.
All right, sit tight for me, please.
Okay.
So, man, thanks for coming by. So, I pulled over for a headlight. I'm smelling some sort of alcoholic beverage. Smells like it's a fruity drink from inside of his vehicle. So I could check his eyes in his vehicle, see if he's willing to perform any sort of test. He goes, no, I didn't do tests.
He's not doing any tests?
I want to see if you get the same odor when you go up there.
Okay.
See what you think.
I'm going to go get my flashlight.
Sure. You get that odor too. I observed him with glassy, watery eyes. So he's coming here to get food, but I just want you to see if you get the same clues that I'm getting.
How are we doing tonight, sir? Where are you coming from now?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer any questions?
No,
Why is that?
Because he's trying to give me tests and he's accusing me of drinking.
No, I just asked you a question, sir, to perform sobriety test.
I understand, sir.
I'm conducting an investigation right now.
I don't drink for number one.
Okay.
And you're asking me if I've been drinking, sir. I don't drink.
Okay, I don't know that. I never met you before.
Well,
It's just an investigation to make sure you're safe to
No.
drive, all right? That's all it is.
I understand, sir, but
Okay.
I don't answer questions. And it's no disrespect at all. You know what I'm saying? At all.
I understand. Yeah.
Sonic all units, hold your
So
first
I'm coming here to get
Department
dinner
has
for my
domestic
family,
Mhm.
and no offense, but I feel like you're
All
kind
units,
of coming on a little
No,
strong.
I'm just doing my job, sir.
Just because a vehicle smells fruity,
No, a fruity alcoholic
Doesn't it-
beverage, like I stated to you, sir.
yeah. Well,
You also have watery and glassy eyes.
Of
Another,
course,
another,
sir.
another sign of
And
intoxication.
I have sinuses. I have
Okay.
allergies. I also have asthma.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. Does that cause your eyes to get watery
It
and
does,
glassy?
yes, sir.
Because
Absolutely.
I also have asthma.
Absolutely. Sinuses does, yes.
Okay.
But you have no issue. Well, if you're not drinking tonight, there's no issue taking a test.
I don't take tests, sir. I just don't do it. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Do you have a supervisor?
I'm a supervisor on scene.
Do you have a supervisor?
I'm a supervisor working right now.
Okay. Do you have one available?
No, I don't. I'm a supervisor right now, sir, of the shift.
Okay.
I'm asking you to exit to make sure you're okay to drive right now.
I'll exit, sir. I'm not gonna just not obey.
And I appreciate that.
You want me to exit?
I want you to exit to make sure you're okay to drive.
You give me a command.
I'm giving you a lawful order to exit your vehicle
Yes,
to make
sir.
sure you're okay to drive.
Yes,
all right.
sir.
That's all I'm doing.
Where's my wallet?
You don't need your wallet or anything.
Yeah, I'm not taking any tests, sir. So I don't know what you're. You okay to put this in my? Is this okay?
You're nothing on you?
That's
Nothing. Mind if I get
No,
you put
sir.
back down for
I
weapons or
do
anything?
mind. Yes, sir. I don't.
Well, it's
I
going to be an
don't-
officer safety check.
I don't comply.
It's just going to be put back down for our safety. That's all it is.
If you have to do it,
I'm not going to hold anything.
no,
Okay.
go ahead. If you have to do it, this is embarrassing.
It's not embarrassing. It's for
run
our
a
safety, sir.
business. I run a local
And
business.
I'm not. There's
This
nothing
is-
against you. If you get out of the
this
car,
is-
I just want to make sure that's your wallet. That your. Did you put your wallet in? Okay.
I don't answer questions, sir.
I'm just double checking for officer safety.
No.
So, what I'm asking here is if you had any alcoholic beverages tonight. I'm getting clues of
I answered
intoxication.
your question, sir.
I understand
I do
that.
not drink. If you're
Okay.
getting any clue of intoxication, you need to go back to school.
I've been a cop for 8 years. I know what signs of
Sir,
intoxication
I'm
are.
being honest with you.
Okay. Well, I don't
drink.
I don't know that. I never
Okay.
met you
Well,
before.
I'm being honest with you.
People have told me a lot of things in the past.
Great.
All right.
No.
So what I want to do is check your eyes to make
I'm
sure you're okay to drive.
absolutely not doing that, sir.
Would you be willing to walk for me?
No, absolutely. Absolutely not.
Okay.
I
Why
can't
is that?
believe that you think I...
No. If you had nothing to drink tonight, this would show that you had nothing to drink.
Sir, I'm not doing that.
Why is that?
Because I do not. I've been through law school and everything else. I do not comply.
You don't comply with the lawful order?
Sir, I've answered your question.
Right. What I'm giving you is a lawful. I'm giving you an
Sir,
order.
I'm telling you, you're giving me an order to take a test.
I'm advising you to take sobriety tests to make sure you're okay to
Sir,
drive your
I
vehicle.
will not take a test. No
Okay.
disrespect.
We're not trying to disrespect you either.
You are, because you
sir.
keep asking me multiple times.
Sir, we have a job to do. Okay. That's all it is. It's no disrespect towards
I've
you.
answered your question.
We get
sir.
lied to
I will
every
not
day.
take any tests. I will not, and there's no disrespect. I have a lot of friends that's law enforcement. You know what I'm saying? I would not disrespect in that way.
We
Right.
appreciate that.
Because
We're not
I do
disrespecting
not
you either.
take tests. I do not. In fact, I've dealt with you before previously.
Recall when I
I
dealt
was
with
in
you.
Rittmer Lane before you came to my house and asked me a bunch of questions.
Okay.
Also, again.
Oh, was
I
that
felt
about
like,
was that the Uber thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I do
Yes,
recall you
sir.
now. Okay.
And I was more than respectful.
I know
to
you are,
was I
and
not?
I appreciate
I'm a
your
little
cooperation.
nervous because here I am at Burger King getting dinner for my family,
Right.
and I get nervous when I speak to cops because I just
We're just here to do our job. We're not here to.
get it. But you
Not
pulled me
yeah.
over for a headlight.
That's correct.
Okay,
Yep.
now you're pushing it.
I'm not pushing you. I'm just doing an investigation.
You're
right now.
claiming fruity alcohol. You're saying something that smells fruity. So
It's a fruity alcoholic
there's a million
beverage.
things. I deliver groceries for Walmart, so maybe
Like I also said, you have watery and glassy eyes. That's a
Okay.
sign of intoxication.
Many people have that, sir.
Okay. Well, I don't know. I never.
Just because somebody has glossy eyes doesn't mean anything.
Yes, it's a sign from our training and experience.
Okay.
It's a sign of
and I'm-
intoxication.
Okay. So what are you gonna do with this, sir?
So tight wrists to
Yeah,
share with
absolutely.
us. All right, man. There's no disrespect between me and you.
I
I'm just
understand, sir.
doing my job.
Yes, sir.
You don't want to perform tests.
No, sir.
Which I understand. You don't have to if you choose not to.
And again, it's no disrespect.
Yeah, no,
it's just
understood.
that I know my rights.
Right. Understood. Understood. So I'm gonna write you a ticket for the headlight. Okay.
Okay,
Do
sir.
you mind just stepping back in your car for me, please?
Absolutely.
So I can get that going. Just hop back in the front. Hop back in the driver's seat.
I just want to It's so weird. So I just literally replaced that one back like
Right. Okay.
shit.
But you can do that. You can go
Not-
home and get inside. And
Yeah,
stay
it
home.
wasn't too long ago.
Okay.
So yeah,
There'll be a fix-it ticket for the headlight, and then
Okay.
you'll have until Monday to get it fixed on.
till Monday.
Yeah, because it's
Okay.
usually the next business day. But
Now, what do I do with that? Do I bring it
Just-
to the sheriff or not
You
sheriff?
can go.
to the-
Literally, you can go to any. You can go to a mechanic to sign off on it.
Okay.
A law enforcement officer. There's
You're gonna write me a
instructions.
ticket just for that? For real?
We're doing traffic enforcement tonight.
You cut me out here all this time. You're gonna write me a ticket for
Doing
that?
traffic enforcement,
All
sir.
right, buddy. What's your name, sir?
Sergeant McLean.
Do you have a card?
I do have a card. It'll be on the, my name will be on the ticket as well.
All right, sir. I
All right,
appreciate
just give me a
it.
moment, please. So you got a citation for inadequate headlight.
Okay.
So, you wanted to speak to a supervisor of mine. So
Okay.
I notified my lieutenant on the phone.
Okay.
He's aware of what's going on.
Perfect. Thank you.
So I can't determine if you're okay to drive or not.
Mm-hmm.
So you refused the sobriety test.
Yes, sir.
I told you you have signs from my training experience of intoxication.
Yes, sir.
You have slowed, mumbled speech. You have watery and glassy eyes.
I know
All
what
right.
you said, sir.
Okay, and I
Yes,
smell
sir.
an odor of an alcohol beverage emanating from inside the vehicle.
Okay.
So I don't know if you
sir.
can drive or not. So you're gonna have to call someone to pick you up to drive.
Okay.
Understood? So that's what.
Okay. You want me to call someone right now?
That's correct.
What am I gonna do with this vehicle? Leave it here overnight?
I will let them know it can stay here.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. Let's do that. Sounds good.
So I have to issue your,
All right, sir.
your license.
All right.
You wanted a business card as well, you said?
I do. Yes.
So
Yeah, I'll grab my phone.
that's fine. Like I said,
Oh, that's all right. We can play this game.
I'm not playing any games,
Oh,
sir.
sir, you're being very disrespectful.
I've-
and I will file a complaint.
I've never been disrespectful to you.
Sir, you are being very
This is all
disrespectful.
recorded on body
You
camera.
have pushed this above over a
I have not, sir.
Okay.
This is all recorded on body camera.
Excellent. I appreciate that.
No problem.
I have it all recorded as well. Sir.
That's fine.
I guess that's it then. Yeah,
All right,
just give me
I'm
your
gonna
number.
give you. Yep. Here's the contact
Sir.
number.
You have a citation?
Here's a citation. You have a court date of August 14th at 12 p.m. in the Town Center
Right.
Falls Court.
Yes, sir.
For the correction ticket, you have to get it corrected by Monday
I will. Yes, sir.
and have it signed off by a mechanic or a police officer. Okay.
You got it. Yes, sir.
Here's my business card right here, sir.
All right.
Here's a citation. Like I said, my lieutenant's been made
Who
aware
are
of the
you,
situation.
Lieutenant? What's his name?
Lieutenant Clear.
Clear. Yes, sir.
He's been
Okay.
made aware of the situation.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Any other questions for us, sir?
That's it.
All right. Have a good rest of your night.
This case highlights how quickly an ordinary traffic stop can escalate when questions of legal rights and police discretion come into play. Instead of relying on objective evidence, he kept pushing the encounter further without any clear signs that justified it. The driver stayed calm, refused to be pressured into unnecessary field sobriety tests, and never gave the officer a reason to expand the stop any further. The encounter ended with the officer exposing the weakness of his own approach rather than proving any wrongdoing. Whether you believe the officer acted appropriately or feel the driver's rights were being challenged, one thing is clear: remaining calm, respectful, and informed can make a significant difference during any police encounter. If you enjoyed this body cam breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next real-life police encounter and legal analysis. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.